the floor plan, the flow, all the detail work is really great.
Well, we've bought probably 8 homes in our lives before, so we weren't really fearful about buying a home.
We already decided on Redmond, where we wanted to live, and so we were actually over here looking around, working from a hotel room, digging around on the web, and the reviews were very, very positive. So that gave us encouragement to start looking at the developments, and then we narrowed down to this one. The previous home that we had in Portland was in Southeast Portland, and it was brand new also. It was a townhome, and we never even met the builder. We literally got the keys from the real estate agent, and that was it. And so we had questions and a few issues about the place, and we started trying to find the builder and contact the builder, and it actually took several months and some unpleasant conversations to finally get the builder to respond to us. So that was completely different than what we had here. The warranty team and Jeremy and Michelle were at the house the day we moved in. They gave us a really comprehensive walkthrough, every last detail. So it was a completely different experience, pretty refreshing, and we didn't really expect it. Considering our guy in Portland, we honestly had to threaten to get an attorney to get him to come out and look at a fairly simple problem. And it was really a horrible, it was a nasty process. And this has been just easy, just an email, they respond the next morning, when can we come out? It's been good, and there's value to that 1-year period to get all those kind of quirky things. Homes are, living, breathing things, and that stuff happens.
The thing is the quality of the home and the value, both together. We knew it was a good value, but we didn't expect the quality. Pretty much all our visitors who come into town get the Hayden tour. The home kind of speaks for itself. We actually had friends come in, the friends that are going to retire in a couple of years, and when they visited us, she said, "You way undersold this home." And so
we're new to Redmond, so we're starting to see where Hayden's involved in the community, and that's been really a nice thing to discover. It feels like a company's got a good perspective on the balance between business and being involved in the community. I mean, our expectations were met and exceeded. The process, quality, everything was terrific.
Yeah.
We're happy.